Hello guys, now let's see some important methods in the list interface. We have already seen that add method, right? Similarly, we have some other methods in the list interface. So let me define a list integer. So I am just renaming as roll numbers. Assume that we have to add some roll numbers inside it. So I am defining an array list. Okay, now let's import the list. Now I am adding a roll numbers dot add 20 roll number dot add 21. Okay, now assume that there are new joinees, okay, in the school, so you have to add some other roll number. So let's define a list integers. Okay, new joinees, we can give new joinees. In that list I'm just adding dot add, let's add one new joinees dot add 2. Okay, now my intention is here, I want all the new joinees should be present in the roll numbers list, because we have to maintain one list only, right? So separate list maintaining is not worthy for us. So what we can do is, whatever the elements inside the new joinees list, we can add all the elements to the roll numbers by using the add all method. So what we can do, so let us print first what inside the roll numbers. Let me run it first. So you can see 2021 is there. Now what I am doing is, I am adding all the elements whatever present in the new joinees list to the roll numbers. So how do I do? Just roll numbers dot, you can use the add all method. So you can see here, add all method accepting the collection. That means you can add any collection like a set, list or vector, something else you can add it. Now I am adding the new joinees. Okay, now let me print again the roll numbers list and we will see. Now you can see the merged list, you got it, right? So whatever new joinees list contains, the same data roll numbers list also contains. Now here what do you want to do is, you want to update these two roll numbers to 22 and 23. So what you can do, you can use the set method inside a list. So how do you do is, roll numbers dot set, what is the index of 1 and 2? It is 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? So the index will be 2 and 3, right? So you have to provide which index you want to update. So 2 I want to update. What I want to update here? 22, right? And similarly I want to set roll number 3 as 23, right? Now let's print it. System dot println roll numbers. Okay, now I am running this. So you can see what was happened is, so in this one, whatever 1 and 2 we have, that roll numbers were updated to 22 and 23. So set method will be helpful to update the values inside a list. That's it. Now assume that 23 students want to leave the school. Okay, now what you want to do is, you have to remove the element from the list. So how do you do is, you can use the remove method dot remove. So what is the index of 23? It is 3, right? So I am giving the 3. Now let's print the roll numbers again. Now you can see 23 was removed from the list. Now you want to know how many members are present in the class. That means how many roll numbers are exist in a list. So what you can do is, you can use the size method. So let me write it. Println roll numbers dot size. So this will give what is the size of the list. So if I run it, you can see the size of the list is 3. Okay, let's assume that the batch was relieved from the school. So what you have to do, you have to clear the list and add the new members inside it, right? So what you can do is you can use the clear method to clear all the lists. So I'm just doing that. Roll numbers dot clear, you can use it so that you will get the empty list, because we have cleared everything inside the list, right? So I'm just printing roll numbers. Now you can see you won't get anything. You are getting the empty list. Okay. For example, you want to call roll number 20, so you can use the get method. So how do you use it? System dot out dot println. So you can access that 20 roll number via with index. Okay. Roll numbers dot get. You have to pass the index. It is 0, right? So if you pass 0, you will get it. You can see 20 you are getting.